Hi everyone, this is Ada. Welcome back to my channel, and I have a Fendi unboxing today. I'm so excited. Last night, it's Saturday today, Friday afternoon, I was invited to the styling session at Fendi at the Queen's Plaza in Brisbane, and I was so excited to go. My sales associate Sophia invited me, and I had my eye on something else. I was going to wait a bit longer to get it, but I just thought I'd get it at the styling night. The lovely Tess Alexander, who is the ambassador for Queen's Plaza, was there, and she was the host for the event, and she's such a lovely girl, and I had such a nice time talking to her and viewing all the new items from Fendi, the fashion, the new peekaboo, and it was such a fun night. So I thought I'll buy this for myself. Let me just show you too. They gave us some moe as we were leaving, all nicely packaged in a Fendi bag, and one for my husband as well, so he came with me. There was probably, I think, about 10 people. They also had some really yummy chocolates, and we had a couple of those, and we just had such a good time. So let me show you what I got in the yellow bag again. Yes, I think I'm addicted. I'm addicted to Fendi. This will be my third Fendi bag this year, so might have to wait until next year before I add to my handbag collection. As you'll see there, I have what I call my queen. If you haven't watched that unboxing, have a look, but that is my queen, my medium baguette, and I love her. So let me just show you what I have in this. I have the receipt here. Get the box right. The boxes just make you so happy with the yellow. So I have been good. I haven't unboxed it. Oh, well, once I got the sticker undone. I usually don't get the stickers undone very well. There she is. You can tell she's a bit smaller. She's a bit smaller than the other bag. Any guesses? What is this, Poppy? What is it? So I got the mini baguette in the pink color. Excuse me, Poppy. In the pink color. So I said to Rita and Sophia, I said, I have the queen, I now need the princess. So this is the princess of my collection. You can have that ribbon. You want that ribbon? You can have that ribbon. So this is the princess of my collection, and I love her. I'm just so happy to have her. Before I went, I had a look. Sophia was nice to put two bags away. This one and the black one. And my husband said to me, oh, you should be... maybe get the black one, it's a bit more sensible, it'll go with everything. Oh yeah, okay. But as soon as I saw this one, I'm just not attracted to black bags. I have them in my collection, and I'm glad I've got them in my collection, but I'm really just not drawn to black bags. I'm always drawn to color or just something that's not black, and that's just me. So this is my princess. Let me have a look at the receipt. So she is the mini. So the mini baguette in the lamb's leather, and I don't know what the color is. Maybe the color might be in here, but there was two pinks. There was like a brighter pink, and there was this one. And as soon as I saw this last night, obviously I looked online, but when she put them on hold, she bought them out, and I thought this pink is more of a nude pink, and it will go with a lot of things in my wardrobe, my fashion. So I'm really happy to have this. And it has the strap. Oh, I was wondering, I just watched a video this morning. It does have the card holders. I wasn't aware of that until this morning. Very observant, I'm not. So it has the little card holders here, which probably won't use anyway, but you never know. It's nice to have. So really love that it's got this strap as well, and I can see myself using this a lot in summer, just with a lot of outfits. And yeah, so really happy with her. I keep looking at her. So if you've got any questions, let me know. But also, I just have to mention, if you want to have a look at a few more Fendi items, pop over to Dayle's Addiction. So she's a new YouTuber, and we sort of have, we both love Fendi. Let's just say we both love Fendi. I call her my sister in crime, basically. So pop on over, and she has this beautiful, beautiful purple bag that she's called Kerry. So if you want to have a look at more Fendi, pop on over. But if you want to know anything about this bag, or you've got any questions, let me know. But don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no.
If you like this video, please subscribe, push like, and follow me on Instagram. And don't forget, everyone, Ada Love Style. See you again next time. Bye.